can see in the Amazon.com, all the products is aligned something very nicely. You can see the reason
Yes.
behind is what division tag. Okay, so I know some people won't believe this. Maybe division tag is there. They are not thinking like correctly. So no problem here. Right click here. We can see something page view source here. It is available. You can see. Just click here.
Yes.
Okay. So this is a code for the Amazon.com, same HTML code. So just come down. I'm making zoom here. Just come down. We'll get one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now we can see the body starting. You can see. So inside the body, what are the tags you can observe?
Mm-hmm.
1 minute. I can tell you. Yes, you can see here. So div. We can call it
Mm-hmm.
as what the division. Okay. Span
Okay.
also comes under what the division. Okay, division as well the span is having what the same priority we are having. So now we can see division closing. In the same way you can observe, you can see div division as well the span, again division, again span. You can see multiple times span. You can observe the division is closing. Again you can see division as well the span, again division, again span. You can see
Yeah.
division span, division span. You can see here span division, multiple spans.
Yeah.
You can see division, 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 span, span, span. So you can
Yes.
see here division, 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 multiple times you can see here. Okay.
Yeah.
So division, division, fine. Okay. So really division tag where exactly it is suggested. Okay. So I can tell you, let me some zoom out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let me take a screenshot of this.
Uh-huh.
1 minute. So let paste in the paint. Okay. So here let me paste. Okay. So now we can see I'm drawing something lines I'm drawing here. You can observe
Mm-hmm.
with the red color. So now we can see this particular part is what the division. Okay. So this another part is there now. This is also we can call it as what the division. Okay. So you can see here this another part is there now. This another part also we can call it as what the division. Okay. So now we can see you can observe right how many divisions is there. Multiple divisions is there. You can see clearly. You can see division one,
Yeah.
division two, division three. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. But if you see something very clearly here, we don't have any separation. Here also, we don't have any separation. But if you see here, some separation you are able to see, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we can see this part, we can call it as what the span. This part, we can call it as what the span. So this part, we can call it as what the span. Okay.
Okay.
So first, let me write. So this red color is what the division. Okay. So this red color also, we can call it division. So here also red color, we can call it further division. So these blue colors is there, right? So these blue colors, so we can say what the span, SPAN span.
Mm-hmm.
So this also we can say what the span, SPAN span. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
So let me save this document, division and span. Okay. Now come to the coding part and everything. So let's see what exactly a division stands for. So div is a key that we can call it as what the division.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See, division means small portion of. small portion of web page. Clear? So now we can see, just now we have seen like the multiple divisions. That is some portion of the web page. Yes or no?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Again, span tag also is available. You can see the tag we can call it as what the span tag. See, span tag we can call it as in small portion. In small portion. What is small portion? Small portion of the web page we can call it as what the division, right? In small portion, again some small portion is there
Mhm.
that we can call it as span. Clear?
Mhm.
In the small portion, again you require some more small portion is there that we can call it as what? Span. Now, let's see. Let me write. So let me close this project file. Just close the folder. So now here I am opening what the project folder I am opening. So just see
Yes.
the desktop. On the desktop, Akram folder only we are creating the files and everything. Index.html is there, you can see.
Mhm.
Okay, no problem. Still, I'm using the same thing. Okay. So otherwise, you can go div.html also. You can see here div.html.
Mhm.
Okay. So now we can see basically how we can get our code by exclamatory tab, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So still, is there any other uh, command here? It is there. Yes. Still, we are having the another command also. So that thing I can tell you here. So now we can see every time exclamatory tab will work, no doubt at all. Okay. And this is equal to which concept? HTML5 version. Okay. Some people they won't believe. So no problem. Here you can come. You can type HTML colon 5. HTML colon 5, and after that immediately tab button you can click the same thing you will get, you can see.
Sorry, I don't understand. Can you restart? Uh,
You don't?
can you restart from the beginning? I didn't understand what
Okay,
you're
division you're
explaining.
not understanding, coding you're not understanding.
I'm sorry, what?
So division you are not understanding, as coding you are not understanding.
Both. Can you
Okay.
go back to the beginning? Yeah.
1 minute I can tell you. Okay. So yesterday you have asked about division as well span.
Mhm.
Okay. So now we can see this is the Amazon.com. Okay. In the Amazon.com, how the products are keeping something very nicely. Okay. If you observe the watch here, this position is not coming to another position. Okay. This watch is not coming to bags, and
Mhm.
this roller is not coming to like the toys. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
How the concept is working because of they have created what separation they have created. How the separation now we can see this is what the division.
Yes.
Inside this entire red color is available, right? This entire red color we can call it as what the division. In that division only we can keep what some products we can keep. Okay.
Yeah.
The products is not able to come outside. In the same way, this is what the another division. Here also some different types of products is there, you can see. So these products also is not able to come outside because of what the division type. Now we can see what exactly division means. Some portion of the web page. This is what the entire web page.
Yeah.
This is what the entire web page. In the entire web page, suppose if you required some portion, if you required some portion of the web page, we can call it as what the division. Okay.
Yes.
Suppose if you see very clearly here, in the last division, again it is looking like something separation is there, you can say. Okay. So this one we can call it as what the span. Span also we can use. Okay. Or inside the division, again you can write that division also you can use, no problem. Okay.
Mhm.
But the thing span is in some portion, again, some small portion is there. That concept we can call it as what? Span. Clear? Hello?
Uh, hello. Sorry. One more time, please.
Okay. So you can see here, this is entire website. In the entire
Oh,
website, some portion of the web page. This is some portion.
wait. Hold on 1 second. I can't see the screen. 1 minute. Did the screen disappear? Oh no. Okay, I see it now. Okay.
Okay. As of
Yeah.
now, you have not seen the screen.
No, it just disappeared, but it's back again.
Okay.
Mhm. You can continue.
Oh, okay. So you can see this is what the entire web page. In the entire web page, some portion of the web page is called what the division. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. This is what some another portion. This portion also we can call it as what the division. Okay.
Yes.
So this is also another portion, but in this portion again some separation is there. You can see
Yes.
the green color one. So now we can see in some portion again if you are expecting some small amount of portion, that small thing we can call it as what the span. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. The same thing here I have written division some portion of the web page.
Yeah.
Span in some portion again if you are expecting some small portion, that we can call it as what the span. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now we are writing code. We are writing. You can see. Okay. So here, same Akram folder I am using. Okay. So what is the file we are using? Division.html.
Yeah.
Here, if you type exclamatory tab, so you will get what the some skeleton you will get. Clear?
Wait. What is the exclamatory tab? I don't. That's where I got confused, lost.
Exclamatory. Okay. So in this exclamatory, the version people like HTML version people, they have given some instructed. This is a shortcut rule. Okay. So whenever you are clicking the tab, automatically it is generating the code. Okay. Or
Just just
uh,
with the exclamation mark. It
it
just
is it is a shortcut key.
also when you press that, it just everything just comes at once.
Yes, shortcut key.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And otherwise you can go like this also. HTML colon 5. Okay, because we are writing the HTML, which version? 5 version we are writing. So you can click what the tab you can click. So now the still you are getting the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here you can see what I am writing here. So division tag I am writing, you can see div division. Okay.
Okay.
So inside the division, I am using what the product one. 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Let me use H1 tag. H1 tag, right? Headings tags, right? Yesterday we have discussed it.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So now we can see I'm using what the H1 tag. So they let me write what the product one.
Yes.
Okay. So even we can use same H1 tag. So you can use what the product two.
Mm-hmm.
Same H1 tag you can write. So we can use what the product three. Okay.
Yeah.
Save it here. Okay. See, every time going to the Akram folder.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So every time we have to open this with the URL. Now we can see. Are you able to see any division?
Uh.
Division, some separation you can observe.
Yeah. Yeah. Product 1, 2, 3.
It is not related to product one, two, three. Product one as well, product two, product three. The three
Mhm.
things we can call it as what the headings.
Okay.
Are you able to see any division?
Well, each one is on a separate line, so isn't it
That
divided?
that is coming by using the H1 tag. H1 tag, it's always follows break tag. After heading, in the next line only it will come.
Okay.
Okay. Now we can see the same thing I am copying here. You can paste another two secondary division also I'm using. You can say this is the first division as well. This is the second division. Here you can write what the product to 4, product to 5, product to 6. How many divisions you are able to see here? Division as well another division. Two divisions, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you able to see the divisions here? Let me refresh. Are you able to see any separation?
No.
No. Okay. So if you wanted to see that separation, okay, so we required some CSS code is required. CSS.
Uh-huh.
CSS means cascading style sheet, right?
Yes.
Okay, making our website like more beautiful. In which way you are expecting the output, in that way we can get the output. Okay. So now come here. Separately, you can create a file here. Double click here. So what is the file name we can use? Style style.css we can use. Here,
Mm-hmm.
style.css. Just press enter. Okay. So here I'm not writing anything basically. So that information we have to provide here also. Okay. So this is a HTML file. Hey, HTML file. I am providing a link to you. Now we can see I am providing a link to you. Link to you with whom? With SRC. SRC stands for what? The source. Just click what? The tab. 1 minute. Why it is not coming? Okay. Now we can see. You can see here inside the header part. Hey HTML file. I am providing a link to you with whom? With CSS. Just click what? The tab. So automatically the entire statement will be generated for you. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what a link. Which link? REL. REL stands for what? The related. Which related? Style sheet related. Cascading style sheet related. HREF. HREF stands for hypertext reference. So what is
Mm-hmm.
the file name? Style.css. Where it is available? Here it is available. You can see. Okay.
Yeah.
Save it here now. So now we can see in the style.css. Am I written anything?
No.
No. Okay. So now we can see here division for div division. Okay. So let me use what? The border. Okay. So border I am using like a 2 pixel, solid one, red color border, semicolon. You can see here. Let me refresh this. Are you able to see divisions?
Yes.
Yes. And one more thing, let me try this. Padding 20 pixel. Let's see how it will work.
So we did not get up to CSS yet. I'm just learning the basics of HTML, so I don't really understand what all this um
I can tell you. I can tell you.
but we'll go back to the basics later on. Yeah.
Okay. So let me refresh. Okay. CSS means suppose if you created a project to some client. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The client is saying we required some colors. That colors how you can keep.
What
Suppose
colors?
you have created what Amazon.com you have created. Let's see this concept. Okay. So now we
Mm-hmm.
can see here background, we can see what the white color, right?
Yes.
Okay. But if you see here somewhere, what is the background color? It is available to this, all these images. Some different color is there. You can see background.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So in the same way, suppose this heading is what the black color. Suppose client expectation is what the red color. How you can use the red color? That particular situation, we required what the CSS.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, this is a file name actually. Style.css is the file name. Okay. So now 1 minute
Yes.
I can show you. Okay. You can see side by side here it is there. So now this is what the H1 heading, right? H1 heading, right? Product to 1, product to 2, product to 3. What are the headings?
Yes.
H1 heading. This is also H1 headings. Now we can see, hey, H1 heading, H1 heading, because we are writing a tag for H1 only. So we are expecting what the color, which color, blue color we are expecting. Save it here and come and refresh here. Are you able to see blue color?
Yes.
Okay. This is what actually CSS.
Mm-hmm.
Clear? Suppose if you wanted to change the background color, let me write what the yellow. Let me refresh it here. Are you able to see yellow?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, so in the same way, so what is the tag we have used? Actually, division tag we have used, right? Yes or no? Yes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Here also we are using what the division tag. But here we are unable to see what the division tag.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that division tag, if you wanted to make it like visible, what is the solution we are having? Only one solution, that is what div division. So previously we have written for the H1 heading. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now we are writing for what? Division tag. That's it. So head division. So at the very first we required what the border. Border is required. So generally every country is having some borders, right? Limitations.
Yes.
Okay, every home also is having some borders like lawn, and after that they will keep some very big wall. They will keep, right. So
Yeah.
border, border size. Size means 4 pixel size. I am using border type. Some people will use grills. Some people will use bricks. Okay. Some people will use rocks. Okay. In the same way, here also for the border we are having different types of styles is there. The first style we can call it as what the solid one, SOLID solid. Okay. And after that color is required, RED red, semicolon, control S. Okay. You can come and refresh. Now you people are able to see borders.
Yeah.
Yes. So for the border, suppose if you are expecting some margin or padding, let's see here, let's see the padding I can tell you. Let's see the margin. Okay. Okay. So let me give the 15 pixel. Okay. Okay. So this border concept is what the very clear you can see, like 4 pixel, solid one, red color. And a margin you can see. Margin means what the 15 pixel. This I can tell you the margin. Okay. Now we can see previously we don't have any separate gap. Yes. Previously.
Mm.
Okay. If
Yes.
you delete this margin 15, you can see here the both things is what attached, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But in the Amazon.com, any attachment is there for division to division?
Oh, there's a space.
Some gap you can observe. You can see here some gap is there. So here also some gap is there.
Mm-hmm.
Here also some gap is there. You can see. Here also some gap is there. Here also some gap is there. You can see. For that gap, so we require a concept is what the margin concept is required. Margin. So which margin? Okay. So margin means left side you will get, as well right side you will get, top side you will get, bottom you will get. Okay. So margin, what is the size we are using? 15 size. It's a size pixel. Control S. You can come here and refresh. Left side some 15 pixel you can observe. Top side also 15 pixel. Right side also 15 pixel. Bottom also 15 pixel gap you can see. So you can increase to like the 45 pixel, save it here and refresh. Now we can see the size is increased, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you people are able to see the divisions very clearly.
Yes.
Okay. So now suppose all the products, now we can say this is the product one as well, this is the product two as well, this is what the product three. But these products side by side is there or in the single line here it is there.
But
See, in the Amazon.com, how the products is there, side by side is there, right?
mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Side here it is there, but here in the next line here it is there, right?
Yes.
Okay. So that is what a display, that we can call it as what inline. Control S. Let me refresh. 1 minute. It is not working here. So this concept. we can use for H1 heading. H1. Hey, H1 means what the products. So let me use what the display. Let me use what inline. Let me refresh. Now we can see all the products is coming something side by side, right?
Yeah.
Product 1, product 2 as well the product 3. Okay. So H1 heading because this H1 product 1, H2 product 2 as well H3, H4, H5, 6. The display means we are presenting in line, which means what? In a line. In a line, here it is there. Clear?
Uh, Sorry, I'm really lost, Professor.
The last thing you are not understanding.
Um
This one. Let me refresh.
no, can we
Up to this concept is clear.
uh no, not really. Can we can we go back from the start again, and I'll tell you where I'm getting stuck. But
From
uh
which one?
uh can you can you go back to the beginning?
Okay, let
Uh
me delete this.
s-
Up to here, clear.
yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, now we can see this is so here we are having what the division we are having. So product one as well, product two as well, product three. Three products we are having. And
Yeah.
after that, product four, product five, product six, another three products we are having. So
Yes.
these all the products where we have written inside some divisions.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but we are not able to see the division here. Okay, so for
Mm-hmm.
that, now we can see here division.
So yeah, this is where I'm stuck. I don't understand the CSS coding and everything what you're doing. Because I did not get up to that topic. I'm still learning the basics of HTML.
Uh,
So, um,
okay, fine, but you are expecting what the division tag you are expecting. That is the reason I'm presenting like in depth I am presenting.
uh-huh.
Okay, so how division tags the people will use in the real time, that only I'm presenting.
Okay.
Okay, so otherwise
Mhm.
we can stop here. Whenever the CSS will come, that particular moment we can discuss again this one too. Okay.
Uh, can you explain one more time? And then after that, even if I understand it or if I don't, we'll just go back to what we
Uh,
did yesterday.
okay. So now
Yeah.
we can see division, open brace, close brace. So for the division, specially we are creating what the border. Suppose if you purchased a land, there will be a border, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you go to the land and you can keep something walls to the particular border.
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no? The same thing. BORDER border.
Yeah.
Okay. So border, what is the size you are keeping? Like the bricks size. Now we can see my brick size is what the 4 pixel. Some people border they will keep something giving the gaps. Okay. Some people will keep the border like the white they will keep. Suppose the investment is low, they will keep something whites, electrical whites they can keep. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
now this is what the solid color. What is the size? Now we can see here red is the color. Now we can see control S, you can come and refresh. Now you are able to see the division separation, right?
Yeah.
Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. But in the Amazon.com, you can see here division as well. This is also division, but here some gap is there. You can see gap.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that gap, how you can get? By keeping what the margin. So generally, while you're writing the exam, left side, you can by keeping the scale and the pencil, you use it to write something margins, right? Lines.
Yeah.
Okay. That is what the same margin. Here I am using what the 30 pixel I am using. Okay.
Yes.
Come and refresh. Left side 30 pixel gap, top side 30 pixel gap, right side 30 pixel gap, even bottom side also 30 pixel gap. Clear?
Mhm.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Yes.
Okay, this is all about what the division tag. division HTML code. Division CSS code. I will share the document.
Okay.
Division information. Okay. Okay. So let's see the index.html file only. The previous one, last class, what exactly we have used. The same thing we are discussing. Clear?
We're going to continue from last night's
Last.
topic,
Okay. So now we
right?
can
Oh,
see in the last class we have discussed about what the headings.
yes.
Okay, H1, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Now we are discussing what the paragraph.
Hmm.
Okay. So now we can see HTML colon file tab. So automatically some code came. Okay. So here I'm using some Wikipedia.
Hmm.
Wikipedia. So here I'm searching for a one person. The person name is what the Sundar Pichai. Okay. So you can observe this file. Now we can see, you can see some decent amount of paragraphs is available. You can see this is the first paragraph as well second paragraph. How you can see the paragraph? How you can identify the paragraph? By gap, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now you can see, let me copy this, all the paragraphs. Just copy Control C. Here you can come, you can paste Control V. Okay. So you can
Hmm.
see this is the first paragraph.
Yeah. I understand paragraphs really well. We can skip this topic.
I can tell you, I can tell you, listen. The
Yeah.
something you don't know, I can tell.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you can come, you can open the index.html file. Are you are able to see how many paragraphs here?
No, this is just one big paragraph.
One big paragraph.
Yeah.
So paragraph means we have to use what the starting P tag we have to use. And
Yeah.
this P should be closing where end. Go to the
Yes.
end, you can paste here. Clear?
Yeah. This I know.
Okay, okay, fine. You can come and refresh. Okay.
Hmm.
So now we are able to see what the first paragraph we are able to see. Okay. And we
Hmm.
don't have any rule. To the paragraph starting only, we have to use the P. To the paragraph ending only, we have to close the slash B. Okay. So we don't have any
Hmm.
rule like that. So now we can see sometimes we are unable to go to the starting of the paragraph. Sometimes we are unable to go with the ending of the paragraph. So that particular situation, what we can do, above line you are accessing, you can write the paragraph starting. The below line also you are accessing, no problem. Here also you can paste it here. Okay. Some gap is there, you can see. Paragraph we have started here, but there is no paragraph here. It is there here. Okay. So in the very next line here it is there. No problem. Still you will get the same thing, you can see. Let me refresh here. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So in the same way, I'm writing the paragraph here. This paragraph, I'm unable to go to the end location. No problem. You can paste it here. That's it. Now, this paragraph, suppose I am user or you are user. Editing is possible. Changing the data is possible.
Yes.
See, as a user, now we can say you are using the Amazon.com. Okay. As a user, can you change this data?
Uh.
See, you are user, right? Amazon.com
Yeah.
user, right? You.
Yes.
Okay. Can you change this data?
No.
No. So now we can say this is our website. Okay. You can change it here. As a users, like in the like outside, we are having like many users is there. All other users can change this data is possible.
No. Only the one who made the website can change it.
Yes. Other we
Yeah.
can provide what other users also can change the data is what the possible. Okay. The
Hmm.
reason I can tell you. Okay. Suppose there is a famous website is